Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Professeur et on va parler du module 3. Alors, let's talk about this module. I know that this semester or this winter session is so fast. No worries, everything is going to be fine. I think that I have already solved the VHL problem. However, no worries. You can still tune in the late assignments. You are going to have full points, but just remember to complete the assignments before taking the unit test. It is important to logic terms. Yeah, if you haven't studied for the test, how we are going to take the test. So, and for this module, what we're going to do? Basically, in module 3, we are going to work on the family vocabulary, and we're going to talk about the accent aigu, accent grave. What does it mean to have an accent mark in a French word? That is going to be important. Also, we are going to talk about the family in France and the friendship. So we are going to have new vocabulary about family, about adjectives, and also in grammatical terms, we're going to work on the descriptive adjective. So if the adjective is before or after the noun, and also we're going to talk about possessive determiners, mine, your, his, her, that are going to be important in French language because of the gender and number agreement, of course. Also, we're going to talk about numbers, and we're going to talk about prepositional place that we're going to talk in detail during this module. There's going to be like 2 days. And in terms of testing, obviously we are going to have our unit test, but this one is going to be a little bit faster because it's going to be after the oral exam we have on Wednesday, so it's going to be on Thursday. And what you have, remember, you're going to complete, you're going to check always after any unit test, you're going to check Notre Tableau de classe, in which you are going to find the general feedback. And in VHL, you are going to find the individual feedback on your assignments and the testing as well. Also, remember that you can check the La Grammaire et la Prononciation du Français, the YouTube channel in which I'm going to present the topics you have struggled with a little bit, and it's normal, so no worries. It's just to improve your language comprehension, your language understanding, and to practice a little bit more. Also, in terms of Padlet, that is the compositions, remember that these Padlet compositions are graded by completion. It means just complete it after you receive the feedback, after you have read the feedback from the unit test. You're going to write down the compositions. They have already the due date, so just try to complete it before or by the due date, and you're going to receive feedback for that and full points, of course. The idea here is just learning, yeah? So it's a win-win situation. You win points and you're going to win feedback as well. Also, remember that we have also our free period activities, and you're going to complete them once we finish the unit. It means you are going to receive first the feedback, and then you're going to complete the oral part of the class. And also this activity is by completion, so just complete it. I'm going to give you feedback, and win-win. Everyone is winning here. Also, remember to check the videos depending on your needs according to the feedback I have provided you. And just to recall that we have VHL, and remember that we have the due days, and the due days are just complete the assignments before taking the unit test. That's the logic. And what else? And remember that today, the Wednesday, we have our oral midterm. So it's going to be fine, no worries. Just try to be 5 minutes in advance and follow the instructions and the review. And the unit test is DHL. You have 24 hours to complete it. Just make sure to spare 2 hours in the day, and check the unit 3 review. The review is going to be important, trust me, because I'm going to give you cues and hints about the exam. And I think that that's all. And remember, if you have any question, any doubt, just email me. That's all. Merci et bon début de module. Au revoir.